Well, it's been a long time since the last video update, and it's the 29th of September 2019. We've been working on building the house for a year and 2 weeks, and I apologize if you can't hear the audio very well, but it's kind of windy out here. I'm trying to shield the microphone on my phone from the wind. So bear with me. As you can see from the activity out here, we've got our stucco guys have just been wrapping up the stucco on the outside of the house. Thursday before last, we passed inspection on the rough plumbing, rough electric, framing, and HVAC. So we're able to proceed with doing a lot of other things on the inside. So out here you can see the stucco is an almond color, and I'll take you around the back side of the house so it's not so windy. There we go. Call this the back. It's since the house is square and we don't really have a front or back, just call this the back. Out here on the outside, you can see how the stucco was done around the big windows that I built. The bottom bronze box is an outlet, and then the one in the upper middle right there is a switch that controls the outlet at the very top. And then the lights are on sun sensors, so they'll turn on when it gets dark and turn off when in the morning when the sun rises. This door has, as you can see, double doors on the left and a pet door on the right, since we have a cat now and we actually plan on having some dogs. And unfortunately, back into the wind, you can see where the stucco guys are finishing up on the other side of the front door. How the stucco wrapped around the front door, or the big windows, the way I wanted it to do. And there's the front doors. Big windows. Take you inside. And since the last video, we did a floor change. What used to be the master bedroom is now part of the great room. So now the great room is the full northwest side of the house, northwest half of the house almost. So we'll have our big 75-inch TV up on that wall between the four big windows. And we have a little bit of a ceiling change because of the vault in the great room, the way it was designed, and that was the master bedroom, so the ceiling was designed to be flat in there. We'll just have a little bit of a transition. You can see all the sheetrock stacked in here with the paid help of Jim Pedersen, our neighbor. He and I have been working on doing the sheetrock. This is now, it was the woman cave, Coco's woman cave, but it's now the master bedroom. So I had to cut and build two doors, one into the master closet there and this one into the master bath, And we're going to leave that door open, or not open, but we'll leave that as a door into the great room so guests can use the master bath if they need to use the bathroom. And I've been working on building the shower. And then going down the hall, we've got the first guest bedroom with a small closet. It's the hall bath. I got most of the sheetrock done in there. And working on the sheetrock here in the hallway. Got the third or the second guest bedroom sheetrock now. All right. So that's where we stand. All the rough plumbing has been done and approved. All the rough electric has been done and approved. And this is the pantry on the right, pantry shelves, utility room, and laundry in this part of the house. So there you have it. We're making progress. Welcome everyone's comments. Thanks for watching.